They get a close up of my naps.
Are they? Is it filming now?
Yeah.
You're so silly. Hello, YouTube. I am here with my son. He wants some twist in his hair. So we are using some Echo styling gel with the coconut oil in it. And we're just taking a little twisting comb. You can get this from the dollar store. And this is very simple, guys. We have already did this side, and I'm bringing you a little closer so you can see just how easy this is. All right, guys, you would take your gel, dip your gel in. And if you want to do more than just one at a time, just take it, comb that gel through that section, turn a little bit more. You're going to comb that gel through that section. Let me bring you a little closer. And then just start twisting. And twist it all the way out. Okay? So all you got to do is just twist it, twist it, twist it. It is very easy. The comb is going to grab the section and how much hair you want it to grab, whether it's a thicker section or a smaller section. I hope you can see this, guys, but it is literally just grabbing the hair and twisting it.
I'm here when you need my voice. 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 Sweet, 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 when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. Sweet, 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 when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. Ready, sweet, sweet, ready, sweet, sweet. I'm here when you need my voice. 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 Sweet. you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. Sweet, 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 when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. Ready, sweet, sweet, I'm here when you need my voice. 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 Sweet, 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 I'm here when you need my voice. 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 Sweet, 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 sweet.
All right, guys, so that's how quick it was. It was less than 20 minutes to do his whole head of hair. Give him a turn, let him see how it looks. So only thing we got to do now is just line them up and spray it with spritz and some oil sheen, and it's done. Well, guys, thanks for hanging out with us. You have reached ReginaTV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, this is another banger. And I will talk to you later. Mwah.